Wow. And the next few sentences, they are talking that he has no students, but he is going to start little by little, and maybe the guy wants to go there, but then he said, we will get it. And he said, but you know what they say, once you get into quantum physics, you can never go back. It's like when once you've seen, you cannot unsee. So the true quantum mind creators know what I'm talking about. The rest, they can understand something, but this is how the structure is. It looks like a old car with a huge brain and a bubble having fun, taking them in between the people amongst the dead.